Hey everybody, it's David down at Crosstown Auto Center in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore, we have this 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie in a beautiful black color, powered by the Hemi 5.7L V8 engine under the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box in the back. You have your projector style headlamps, your high beams, LED running lights. You have a nice large chrome grille, chrome bug deflector on the front of the hood, 2 tow hooks on your front bumper, along with 2 fog lamps. Come over to the right side here. The Ram 1500 is running on Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires. You do have chrome alloy rims. You do have chrome mirrors with LED turn signal lights built into them, and they're heated mirrors as well, breakaway mirrors. Chrome on the top of the windows, chrome door handles, and you have chrome running boards on both driver and passenger sides to help you get inside this truck. And you have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle, and that will unlock all the doors for you. 2 cup holders down below, storage in the middle. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. You do have power folding mirrors. Press that button, the mirrors fold in for you. Press it again, they fold back out. Nice chrome Ram badge there. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. Laramie badges on the front seats. You do have adjustable headrests on the front seats as well. And you can adjust the seatbelt height. Power sunroof up above. LED interior lighting. Nice Ram badge in the middle. Grab this chrome handle. You have a change holder, USB port, auxiliary port, SD card port, along with another USB port there for you. And you have cutouts on both sides. If you want to run cords along there, you can do so. Lots of space down below for whatever you need. A little spot for some pens. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Power adjustable pedals, so you can move the pedals closer to your feet. Automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switch and press that button there. That will turn on your fog lights. Close this door. I'll show you the back seat here. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice area to rest your arm on. The wood styling. Handle will help you get in. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat, along with the passenger seat as well. Heated seats in the back. 12-volt DC power outlet. Adjustable air vents. You do have insulated, removable in-floor storage. Put ice in there. You keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold. 2 cup holders in the middle. And you have a fold-down armrest with 2 more cup holders there for you. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing so your clothing doesn't get wrinkled. You have a fold-out gate here. LED lighting on the bottom of the seats. Just lift this up like so, like that, and put things underneath or on top for storage. And if you don't want to use it, easily just fold it back, and you got storage underneath for whatever you want. And you have a clip here, so you can clip it up and secure it like that. Awesome. Let's come back here, close the door. Here is your 5-foot box, looking nice. There's where you put gasoline inside this truck. LED tail lamps on the back. Your Laramie badge is there. Dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Those dots on your back bumper are your rear ParkSense sensors. You got your spot for your trailer hitch right there with connections so you can hook up a trailer or any auxiliary devices. Your backup camera is built into your tailgate here and is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on your key fob. That'll lock all the doors, including your tailgate. You got hooks in all 4 corners so you can tie down your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. Come over here. There's your nice running board, looking great. Open this up. You got storage down below, storage in the middle, your power window switch, nice chrome, wood styling, chrome Ram badge. Your insulated removable in-floor storage is on the other side as well. And under here, you do have your subwoofer underneath here, and you have that fold-out gate as well. Just fold it out like that. You got cutouts for the 2 cup holders with the clever touch. Here's your subwoofer, looking great. Love it. And you can easily fold this back down. There's your handle, which anybody can use whenever they want to get inside this Ram. You can unlock all the doors using the passenger door handle too, as long as you have your key fob. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support, and under the passenger seat you do have your tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. You got a pocket on the side of the middle console, on both sides actually. Your lower glove box with your manual in there, and an upper glove box with a convenience lamp there, and a nice chrome Laramie badge there as well. And you have your air vents, which you can open and close all of them. And you got a spot for some pens or packs of gum, power locks, power window switch, automatic window by the way. Storage down below, storage in the middle, wood styling, you got it. Now, we are sitting in the driver's seat of the 2016 Ram 1500, and this is your proximity key fob. You got an unlock button, lock button, and a panic button. And you have Aftermarket Remote Start. We can go ahead and just put it down the middle there, put our foot on the brake, go over to right and press your push button, start button. Boom, fires right up for you. ABS, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. The Ram has it all, and you only have 51,717 kilometers on this truck. And using buttons on the left side of our steering wheel, we can go through our information center. You have your vehicle info, tells you oil life, full on gauge summary, engine hours, tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil temperature, and back to your oil life. You have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. You have two computers that you can reset at any time that you want. It tells you your average liters per 100 kilometers, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. It's all there for you. You have your trailer tow area, lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media center. Message center in case your RAM wants to tell you something. Screen setup here, so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own, and back to your digital speedometer. If you open any door on this truck, it will let you know which door is open. Steering wheel is looking good. Cruise control on the right. Gear selections up above. Nice RAM badge in the middle. You have your voice recognition. You can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice with voice recognition. And you have a Bluetooth button there, which will assist you in making hands-free calls. You have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Push button 4-wheel drive underneath the rotary style gear shifter, trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, front and rear ParkSense sensors. You can turn those off if you want to. Driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel, 115 volt AC power outlet, 2 big cup holders in the middle, cell phone holder there, 12 volt DC power outlet, lots of space in the middle for whatever you want. Throw the truck into reverse, you have a backup camera that appears in the touchscreen Uconnect system, and if you turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to go. And on the screen here, it also shows you your front and rear ParkSense sensors, and if you get close to an object, it'll show you how close you're getting to that object, and it'll start beeping at you, and that'll light up for you so you don't damage your truck at all. We have our dual climate control here. Turn this knob that adjusts the fan speed, hot, cold, defrost, air conditioning, recirculate button, tuning knob, browse button, back button help you guide through your system. Turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it, touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Volume knob, mute button, directional air vents in the middle, which you can open and close, of course. Nice RAM badge up top. This lets you know that you do have the Alpine Sound System built into this truck, giving you premium sound quality. Great stitching on the dashboard, auto dimming rear view mirror, fold down sun visor with a convenience mirror and lights so you can see what you look like. Reading lamps up above. Buttons for your power sunroof are right there. And you have preamble garage door opener there. Pull the switch, or push it, pull it to close it. Opens up your back window for you. Passenger side also has a convenience mirror and lights. And here's our touchscreen Uconnect system with AM/FM radio, SiriusXM. You can direct tune if you want. You got access to a mini map connected to your GPS navigation system right there for you. You adjust your balance. You got an equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound. It's all there for you. Presets up above. Hold it with your finger. You can set a preset just like this. Boom, we just set a preset. And here's our media center. If you have anything plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, Bluetooth device connected, or anything in the SD card port, you can play all your favorite tunes on this menu here. You got access to mini-map, touchscreen controls for your driver and passenger, heated ventilated seats, access to your backup camera, and you turn on your heated steering wheel right there for you. You have your Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff you have built in. And here's our touchscreen controls for our dual climate control. You can sync the temperatures, adjust the fan speed, turn on your heated ventilated seats, adjust the position, see exactly what the temperature is set at, turn on your air conditioning, and so much more. Here's our map for our GPS navigation area. Put in an address, so it'll show you how to get to where you want to go. It gives you a great view of where you are so you don't get lost. While access the phone, that's okay. You connect your phone, you can hands-free calls through Bluetooth, and you can also access your phone book right on the screen too. Info bar up top, you got outside thermometer, compass, time, and it lets you know what the temperatures are set at. And great visibility out the front window. And there's Crosstown Auto Center right there. So come down today and book a test drive at Crosstown. It is a 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie, and it is powerful thanks to the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is smooth to drive, it's luxurious, and it's just an overall blast. I'm your man Dave, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.